Hello and welcome to Little Hands Montessori weekly online class. So today is week 5 for term 2. And thank you for joining me again. And are you ready? What's in store for you today? Let's have a look. So for language lesson, we have a very special language lesson. You'll find out in a few minutes, and then we're doing a sound game again because I know a lot of you enjoyed that last week. So we're doing it again. And then some parenting and Montessori books that I always recommend to teachers, to educators, and parents alike. So are you ready? Let's start. So for the language lesson today, this morning, I want to say thank you to all the nurses and doctors who are working tirelessly to keep us safe, to keep the community safe. So thank you so much. Thank you. And probably the little ones are also wondering why there's a lot of adults using masks and they have to use hand sanitizer every time they go to enter a shop or a mall, and we ask them to wash their hands over and over again. But toddlers, they will wash their hands multiple times a day, so we don't have to worry about them. It's good if we prepare our kids every time we need to go to a GP or a hospital. It's important for us parents to prepare our children what they're going to expect when they're in the clinic or hospital, and make it also learn about the word medical terms or medical devices, not really terms, that the doctors use to them. And that will be added, just an additional words for their vocabulary. You might think, oh, they won't understand, they won't be able to say it, but toddlers understand everything. So they are so capable. So it's a good vocabulary building for them. Okay, let's start. That's why we have a very special language lesson. Okay, what's the first one? Let's have a look. So that is a stethoscope. That's what the doctor uses to listen to your heart and to your lungs. So that is a stethoscope. What's the next one? This one, no, the doctors ask you to say ah. No, that's like just to open your mouth. Big ah. Open your mouth. So that is a tongue depressor. A tongue depressor. And the next one is a height chart. A height chart. To see if you're growing. If you're growing taller. A height chart. This one is a weighing scale. A weighing scale. To check your weight. A weighing scale. This one is what the doctor uses to check your ears, your ear canal. It's called an otoscope. Otoscope. And for the last one, that's a syringe with needle. A syringe. It's actually when you're getting a vaccine or a flu shot. A syringe. Okay. Let's do it again. One more time, okay? Stethoscope. A tongue depressor. A height chart, a weighing scale, an otoscope, and a syringe with needle. So those are the things that you can, so those are the instruments or things that you can see when you visit the clinic or the hospital. Now, okay. Yay! Now let's do the sound game. So a noisy farm, what animals can you hear when you go to a farm? Okay, let me get ready. You need your listening ears. Okay, let's see the first one. Listen, listen. Okay, first one is, was that tricky? What could that be? What animal is that? Let's see if you guess it right. That is a turkey. Turkey. Are you ready for the next one? Okay, listen. What is that? What could that be? Let's see if you guess it right. That was a goat. Goat. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Listen. Probably you know that one. Did you guess it right? It's a cow. Next one. What was that? That was a duck. Yes, a duck. Oh, let's do it again. What is that one? That was a horse. Can you try to imitate the sound of the horse? Horse. Okay. We have 3 more. Okay, next. Oh, no, this one, sorry. Okay, what was that? Pigs. Yes, pigs. Okay, last 2. That was a rooster. That was a rooster. Okay, last one. Could that be? What could that be? Did you guess it right? Yes, that was a sheep. Sheep. Did you have fun? I enjoyed making that for you. So I hope you had fun listening to those animal noises in the farm. Okay, moving to our next agenda for today. My book recommendations for educators and parents, Montessori and parenting books. Well, my first one is The Montessori Toddler by Simone Davis. It's filled with if you need a manual for 0 to 3 parenting, this one is highly recommended. Next one is Montessori from the Start. I usually recommend this to Montessori teachers, educators, because it's more in depth, and you'll learn about hands-on learning and self-discovery, and it's more of comprehensive approach. Comprehensive exploration for the first 3 years. And how to raise an amazing child the Montessori way. There's a lot of practical activities that you can follow for the preschools or 3 to 6 children. It's a great book. It helps like how to foster build confidence, independence, and creativity to your little ones. Oh, and then the last one is The Whole Brain Child. Age-appropriate strategies dealing with day-to-day struggles. This is a book I use when I deal with my children. I really recommend this book, especially if you're teens, or this from 0 to 18, and it just gives you strategies on how to deal with your children, especially with teens. Positive discipline, and yeah, I recommend that one. And I have another one that I'm still reading this, so I'm not done. It's Parenthood the Swedish Way, a science-based guide to pregnancy, birth, and infancy. Now, I really like books that's based in science, and it's actually using the latest research. So hopefully I get to finish this and be able to share with you all. So those are my top recommended books for you parents and teachers too. So if you have any questions, hold on. So if you have any questions, you may where is it? You may email me. But if you have any questions, you may email me at annabelle@littlehandsatwork.com.au. If you need any help with strategies with dealing with your little ones, or if you want to set up your home in Montessori, using Montessori approach. So again, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you find that helpful. I would love to hear your feedback or comments, and please visit my website. And thank you again. Thank you for joining me, and have a lovely day wherever you are, and have a great week, and stay safe and look after yourself. Bye.